Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Dej, and I'm back with another video. And today we are going to be making some slime. So actually, I was trying to like find some things to put in my slime, and all I could find is these knockers. So we're gonna be adding 5 knockers to the slime. The slime is actually not that big. Where is it? The slime is actually not that big. See, this is how much glue we have. See, we got the Nickelodeon glue. Okay, we have this to mix with. Then we have some tied in this bottle. So let's get on to the video without further ado. By the way, my Roblox name will be in the description down below so we can friend each other on my fans. And we can play Roblox together. Yeah. I'll be looking for new people to play Roblox with because yeah. But let's just get into this video, bro. Okay. So we already have the glue in this emoji bucket I got from my birthday party. So I'm gonna have to stand up because I'm a little short. Okay. Hold up. Okay. Back on my knees. Okay. So we're gonna have the glue. I'm just gonna mix it. Look at it. It's very thick. Guys, don't eat slime. It's not good for you. Alright guys, just hold on for a minute. I have to like find something to put this on. Because we have a blank piece of paper. Okay. So now we are just gonna activate it. I know it's not pretty much to this slime, just a basic slime video. So we're gonna add some of the Tide. We're gonna add a little bit. You see guys, look at the Tide, it's so satisfying. So we just added a little bit of Tide, satisfyingly. It smells so good, guys. I want to add sugar cream to the bottom for evergreen. I'm gonna put it in my kitchen. We put it up in my kitchen. What? In my kitchen. Oh my god, I just become a slime. Look. I'm supposed to have an apron on it. Oh my gosh, it's gonna fall. So we're gonna place that there. Okay. So, guys, it's becoming slime. Yeah. It needs more activator. It may become out stiff, but I need it to come out sticky. So I can add them balls in. So I just added like a whole bunch and didn't know where to stop. So, okay guys, so this is activating pretty well. I will show you this, okay. See guys, it's activating pretty well. Could you guys see? Oh my gosh, guys. So now I'm gonna add a little bit more activator. First, I'm gonna finish mixing it some more. Okay. Hold up. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit of activator. We're gonna finish mixing it. See how more stickier it gets, or how more slimy it gets. So we can add them balls in, and then we can start mixing some more. Well, if we need it to be like slime before we add that in, because this is not slime. We also need something like our hands when we make this done. I don't think I have anything good in here to use, so we are gonna go fetch for something, and yeah guys, stay tuned. Well, go look for something. Okay guys, I'm searching. Okay, we have something to wipe our hands with. Okay, now Okay, guys, so I just added like a whole bunch more tie. I might actually be able to use all of that tie in a day. So I do want to like knead it, but I don't want to just go straight in. So we just knead in the slime. Okay, guys, so here's the slime. I'm not sure if it's fully slime. Of course, I am a slime expert, but this is kind of very sticky, just how I wanted it, but kind of not this sticky that I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Of course I do, because I'm my pants. So, just mixing. We gotta get it out. Trying to go a little bit fast here, guys. So, we gotta get it out. See that, y'all? Whoa, guys, look at that, guys. Whoa, so cool. A basic slime video can be pretty long, like this one is going to be pretty long. Pretty long, not very long. Okay, so now we can put the bucket away. Okay, so now we have the slime. And I'm just gonna start kneading it. Okay, I think it's now time to add the beads. Okay. I think I only added 4. Okay, guys, we added the beads. You see, guys, look like eyeballs. Okay, so I'm mixing my video. Okay. I'm only using one hand because, like, I need. Oh my goodness, these beads are falling out. Well, not beads, knockers. Well, they fall out, they stay out. Because today I'm not going to be picking up beads. So they fall out, they stay out. Just like that. Just made a basic slime with stuff in it. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So here's the slime. Something else just fell out. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comment below. My Roblox name will be in the description, so stay tuned and look at that. So, love all my new fans that I will eventually get, and bye.